guess I'm here. I guess the portal actually worked. That's weird. Alright. Let's see. Hey, I've been here before. Except there's no snow. That's weird. Well, I am back then, so I guess I came here during the springtime or something because it's kind of wet here too. Alright, let's go. Ow. I completely failed that jump. Fortunately. Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, I still recognize this whole path, and then I was starting off like from over there and whatever. What is this trail for? Oh man, this is gonna be a long trail. Look, gotta go fast. Ugh. I should never use the cupcake boost again. That was very painful. And I'm pretty wet now. Whatever. I'll just dry off. Oh. Looks like we got the street lights on. That's good. It's kind of getting dark out anyways. Cars, come get your cars. Wait, what? Come get your cars. Or a car, I meant. Oh, cars. I knew that. Let's go over there. Alright. Come get cars here. Ow. Why, hello there, Mr. Whatchamacallit. The name's Cupcake. Well, you can call me Cupcake. Alright. So, I see you have a car here, and I need that. Yeah, you wanna buy it? Buy? Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Cupcake, sir. Oh, this is free, actually. It is? Yeah, this is the first car ever made. So, well, this is the first car ever made. You know, this is what my boss was looking for. Mr. I forgot his name. Oh, well, ow. It's windy out today. Oh, well, good luck with giving your car away or whatever. Why did you just spit on the ground? I don't know, 'cause I can, man. Alright, whatever. Thanks for the car. Wow. I wonder if I'll ever see that man again. Living it up, 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 living it up. Alright, enough of living the life. It's time to get serious. But I think the portal closed when I left it, so I wonder how I'll ever get back. There has to be a genie somewhere. Hopefully I can see. Let's go back to where I fell off in the first place. Oh no, it's a ramp here. Can this car jump? Oh yes, I'm the first car ever made. Of course I can. Wow. All right. That hurt it all. Ow. Wait, how much time is left? Like, it's been like 4 minutes and 25 seconds now. I think. I want to check. Yep. Well, I didn't even check. I didn't do anything. I just know. Weird. Let's keep driving. Maybe down this alleyway I can see something. And backing up. Oh, hello there. Hello there. Oh, who are you? Well, I am the spring trap. I'm sorry. School's so hard. Having a hard time, saying the words, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, How you doing? Are you smart? Well, if you're talking about technology, I am the smartest of my school. So you're smart for something, and you're very not smart for something. I like that. Alright, so can you help me out with something? I need to get back through a portal. Oh, I know all about portals. Here, follow me. Alright. So, what dimension do you want to go to? The future? The present? Wait, we're already in the present. Whoops. Or the past? I'm gonna say the future. Why? I don't know. Alright, then let me just set up a portal here. Beep boop beep boop beep. I know it's gonna be kind of a darker portal since we're going in the future. Yes, you know, future's kinda dark. Wink. Yeah, it is. Wait, how do you know that? No. I'm just predicting it. Oh, alright. Let me just set it up here. Beep boop beep. Ow, I fell. Okay, it should be set now. Oh yeah, thanks. Ow. Wait a minute. I'm forgetting something. Oh, what is it? Oh, this car. Oh, what's that for? You'll find out in the future, actually. Oh, really? But how will that be? Gotta go. Bye. Thank you.